Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great hatchback in our collection. A pre-owned 2013 Volkswagen Tiguan. This Volkswagen is powered by front-wheel drive 4-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 112,754 miles. Discover your adventure with this reliable 2013 Volkswagen Tiguan. Enjoy spacious comfort, impressive performance, and top-notch safety features. Perfect for city drives or weekend getaways. Don't miss out, your ideal ride awaits. Drive home the Tiguan today. This pre-owned Tiguan comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power seats, alloy wheels. To keep you entertained, this Volkswagen Tiguan is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.